Clo Gaming, and today we are inside of Club Roblox. And I heard that there's a new update where it's horse riding. So I'm so excited. Everybody's in this game. They're so excited for the new horse riding update inside of this game. So I'm super excited too. So there is actually 6 minutes left. So if you guys don't want to wait that long, you could just skip this video up, or you just want to wait here, eat a snack. So you're probably wondering, well, yeah, so excited. I'm going to say, make sure to subscribe to Gaming. Make sure to subscribe to Clo Gaming. I'm filming. Wait, what? Why does it keep doing that? I'm filming right now. I'm filming right now. Woohoo! Hopefully people will actually notice, but I'm sorry. I just really want people to subscribe to me. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. This new update is going to be so awesome. I wonder what's going to be happening. I'm just so excited because, Okay, so people are setting up with their little camping site right here. They have everything, actually. Oh, my God. Wait, let's unequip my children. The twins, if you guys actually didn't really hear about them. Yeah, I did change some names of my children in this game. So let's buy that camping site. I don't know how much it is, but we're buying it. It's the camper van. It's $8,000. Let's buy it. I just purchased it. My money. Oh, my money. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We'll save up for more later. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Let's just park you right here on the other curb. And let's get out my camping site. Oh! It comes with the camping site. Okay, I forgot. Okay. Camper van. I'm prepared for this new update if there's any new things. Oh my God, look how cool this is. You can actually go inside of your camper van. It's on the other side. It's on here. Okay, let's change it. People keep on doing that noise, and it's good. Actually, it tells you. Okay, there we go. My camping site is all ready for this new update. I'm so excited, you guys. There's 2 minutes. Big announcement. 2 minutes. You guys. 2 minutes, you guys. There's 2 minutes. I'm so excited. Look at all these people in this game. Wow, that's lots of people, but I'm so excited, you guys. I'm really, really excited for this new update. I wonder if there's going to be new furniture, new house. I have no idea what kind of update this is going to be. Maybe there's a new building in the game. Maybe there's a new house that you could decorate. And there's new furniture that you could decorate in the new house that it comes with. I don't know, but I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Everybody's screaming in the chat. So excited. Yeah, I'm gonna scream too. I know, I'm excited like all of you guys. Woohoo, this is so exciting. I'm so excited for this new update. I don't know what it's going to be, but since it's saying horse riding, since there's 1 minute left, everybody's starting to crowd up at this place. Somebody put an ice cream machine right here. It's starting to really crowd up, guys. There's 1 minute left. I'm so excited, guys, to stay for 1 more minute. Woohoo! This might be one of the best updates, somebody just said, if you guys. It might. I mean, it might actually be. And everybody's hoping so, but I hope so too, that this is going to be the best update. But look at all these people. Oh my god. It just looks like so much on the camera, but it's really not that much in personality. But there's so much clicks, I could just click everybody right now. I'm so excited. Guys, there's 40 seconds left. Oh my god, it's so excited. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Woo! Oh my god, sorry guys, but I'm just so excited. What the heck? Okay. I don't know, sometimes it does this. Okay guys, let me just reset. Guys, I can't even type. Oh my god! 3, 2, 1! Available now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! There's a new car! Oh my god, there's new furniture! There's new rideable animals. There's an ostrich. I just collected an ostrich! Guys, you can actually get an ostrich for free. Yay! Oh my god, guys! There's an ostrich you could ride. This is so awesome. There's new items. Wow! Okay. Okay. I just became my unicorn. Okay. I can fly. Woohoo! Let's see here. We got these things. Collect them all today. Is there a new car, you guys? I really want to check this out. There's no new car. That's sad. But the only new car... Is that new? The Kiwi? I don't know if that's new. I actually do not know. Oh, it is new. Somebody was just riding it. I think it's new, yeah. The Kiwi and the horse. There's a horse. Oh, where do you get the horse? Guys, I would like to know where you get the horse. I got a black one. Oh, this is so cute. Look it. Its legs actually move. Guys, this is one of the best updates ever. It really is. Yeah, the Kiwi is new. I'd like to buy the Kiwi. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Guys, this update is awesome. Everybody's still crowded up with their new pets over there. See? Everybody's riding their new pets over there. But I wonder if you could actually, like, keep one. Because that's what everybody's saying. Like, can you keep them? But let's go check out it. We're actually going to, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get my farm. We're going to wipe data on it. And we are going to go there. We're going to put some new items there. Woohoo! Because it said there's new items. And I'm really excited to check this out. So here we are. Let's go in the backyard. Let's test out these new items. Okay. Let's see here. New. Oh! Guys, you could actually spawn the animals here. You could actually, like, make a zoo. Oh my god, guys. Look it. There's horse jumps. This is so awesome. You guys, this update is amazing. Just amazing. Oh my God. Let's spawn all the animals. Just spawn all of them. Look at all the different colors of animals. Look at all these new animals, you guys. Let me ride the black one first. Oh my God. So fun. Oh my God, your legs. Ah, what happened to my legs? Let's test out this one. Let's test out the kiwi. Last time it didn't let me ride the kiwi. Oh, now it is. So cute. I have 2 kiwis now. Awesome. Ostrich. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to check out this video if you haven't seen the update yet. Bye.